Welcome to the channel where we rise up together for positive change. If you're new here, this is Peasant Uprising, where I share my life story with you guys, and I share my experiences from a very rough upbringing and show you how I am overcoming those difficulties to create the life that I want and need. So I welcome you to subscribe, hit that bell notification so YouTube will notify you of my next release. If you like the video, give it a like, and please comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions are. I'd love to hear from you. Well, everybody, we made it to 40 subscribers. All right. I just want to take a moment to say thank you guys, each and every one of you, for following along, checking out these videos, watching them, liking them, leaving comments. I really do appreciate it. This community that we're building right now is really important. We can really help each other. I feel like we can really connect and really work towards something very positive. So I really want to say thank you guys for following along and continuing to check out the videos. Please keep coming back. Please keep leaving comments, leaving likes, and please share this. If there's somebody out there that you think can benefit from these videos and this channel, offer to let them check it out and let them know that they can subscribe for more. Thank you guys for sticking around. So it's no small feat getting this far, but I am committed and I want to continue to bring value to you guys. Please let me know what it is I can help you with. If there's anything challenging in your life that you just want to talk about, let me know. Comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. We can really help each other. It really has been an amazing journey up to this point, and I can't wait to see what the future brings. I just want to say thank you guys so much for checking out the channel and being here with me. Your feedback and support really encourages me and it really helps me to keep going. I want us to build this community together. I want us to really help each other. We want to be there and create positive change in everybody's lives. And I share my experiences growing up from a rare